Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their dishwasher after adding salt? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power on. Ensure your Balay dishwasher is powered on using the on-off switch. Step 2. Press start. Press and hold the start button for about 3 seconds to initiate the reset. Step 3. Check indicator. Watch the digital display for the indicator confirming the reset process has started. Step 4. Wait 1 minute. Wait approximately 1 minute for the reset process to complete. Step 5. Switch off. After the reset, switch off the appliance using the on-off switch to finish. With these steps, your dishwasher should be successfully reset. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Balay users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.